Somebody once said the telephone is a good way to talk to people without having to offer them a drink. I don't know how true that is, but anyway, that's a debate for another day. You're watching GBS TV Home Shopping, where we give you what you need when you need it. We give you the chance to shop at the comfort of your lounge, and for your payments, GBS TV Home Shopping has partnered with Safaricom, and so you can use M-Pesa Paybill to make your purchase safe and secure. Cash on delivery is also acceptable, and visit our shop at the second floor of Yala Towers, room number 7, and buy with confidence, knowing that your payments are processed quickly. Only on gbstvhomeshopping.com can you find the best deals for a variety of products, including all of today's LG Smart Mobile products. Finally, enjoy fast and reliable delivery when you buy your products from GBS TV Home Shopping within 48 hours, and our ordering numbers are displayed on the graphics. You also have the alternative of texting on 8550 if the numbers are busy. Welcome to GBS TV Home Shopping with your host, Winnie Lubembe. LG aggressively focuses on setting new standards in technologies and developing market-leading devices with superb hardware functionality, innovative design, and outstanding displays. With their slogan, "Life's Good," our main focus today is the mobile communication. Now, to get us started is the LG C333, which is a triple SIM phone with full QWERTY keyboard and compact design. Now, the big question might be, why 3 SIMs? Well, the triple SIM bar is economical and convenient since it reduces the cost of buying 3 separate phones, which can be cumbersome to carry around and saves you money spent on airtime. You only choose the network with the lowest call rate or fast internet service and use it. It's that simple. And to make the deal even better, the 3 SIM cards work at the same time, so if you are on another call, you will get a notification that somebody was calling you, or maybe somebody has sent you a text message. Wow, that is incredible. And it also has an LED blinker, which helps in keeping track of the SIM, phone records, text, and more, with 3 distinct colors, that is red, green, and blue LED light. If you have a missed call or a message, you will know which SIM card it is from. I know you're about to ask me, having triple SIM cards, does that result to short battery life on the phone? Well, it will not, because this is just like the dual or the single SIM phone you have, so the battery life is not altered in any way. You will use it for a long time and you don't have to charge it every night. And some people might say, being a 3 SIM card phone, it's fake. Hell no. This phone is not a fake, it's an original phone from LG. Now, more features on this phone: you're getting internet, we have the FM radio, you're getting a camera, Bluetooth, voice memo, micro SD card, which is expandable up to 8 GB, multi-paged menu, plus many other features that I've not talked about because I want you to get one to explore more. It's an amazing, amazing phone to have, and if you are budget cautious, but then you want a phone that will help you manage your contacts well, browse, connect with friends via social network sites, then the LG C333 is what you need. We are and will always be the most affordable retailers you will ever find, so do not let this chance slip away just like that. Lastly on our shopping list is the mother of them all, and that is the LG Optimus L9 P895 VU. It looks more of a tablet than a phone, but this is a phone, and probably the largest phone in the market. A 5-inch high-definition IPS LCD capacitive screen, which can display 16 million colors, is what you're getting with 8-megapixel camera and an Android Ice Cream Sandwich 4.0 operating system, and only weighs 168 grams. Looking at this phone, like I told you, it's more of a tablet, but trust me, it is a phone. You're getting 5-inch capacitive touch screen. Then looking at the side, quite a slim fold, nobody will notice you're carrying a phone. Then looking at the back, you get the 8-megapixel camera with a flash. Then you have the speakers down over here. The L9 has a whopping 32 GB internal memory and 1 GB RAM. Wow, that is more than enough space on your phone that you do not even need to expand it using the micro SD card. And it uses a micro SIM, but do not worry, you don't have to buy a new micro SIM. You can just localize your normal SIM card and use it on the L9. Now there are other interesting features, which is my favorite actually, and that is the quick memo. You do not have to carry a pen and a paper when going maybe for a meeting or maybe to class. Just carry your phone and that's it. It's not cumbersome at all, and plus it has a notebook where you write down your notes with ease, and that is so awesome, especially for students if you're going to class, or maybe for business people, you're going for meetings and you have to carry huge books, you have to carry a pen. That's cumbersome. But if you have this phone, you only need a stylus pen, and this is the stylus pen. To access the notebook, all you need to do is just come here to your menu, then look for the notebook. There we have. It's pretty simple. Come here to new note. Then the most interesting part is that you have to select, maybe if you want to select your cover, if you love red like I do, just click on red, then that's it. Then you have to write the title of the note. Then you have to choose your paper. If you want a plain paper, if you want a paper with lines, if you want it with boxes, it's up to you. Then choose it, then come here down and select the paper color. So maybe let me go with that one, then say okay. After that, there you go. Then using your stylus pen, come here to text, then start writing. Like I will write my name, and don't mind my handwriting. My name is Winnie. Wow, it's that simple. You can even write your signature, you know, just like that. It's that simple. So instead of you carrying around a pen and a paper, which is kind of cumbersome, just use your stylus pen plus your phone, and that's it. And if you want to rub, all you need to do is just come here to eraser, click on it, and then rub. So I'm sure if my cameraman can see this, it's rubbing all of it, everything that I wrote, just like that. It's pretty simple. And to make it sweeter, the displayed amount of information is completely different. How? You will enjoy the comfortable and familiar viewing pleasure through the 4:3 screen ratio you have been used to in a PC, meaning more information can be viewed. And additionally, it has Bluetooth, which enables you to transfer files wirelessly to other phones. Then it has a hard cover right here or the behind, and this gives you a good grip so that nobody can snatch your phone that easily. And then you're getting 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor plus the 5th core processor, which reduces unnecessary power consumption even when you're using the quad-core processor, meaning you have 5 processor on this small phone. Wow, that is incredible. Now you're also getting 8 megapixel cameras plus 1.3 megapixel front-facing camera, which can take 1080p full high-definition videos. And it also has a voice-activated camera snapshot where you only say cheese and it takes the picture. I will show you how that works. Come here to our camera on the menu. There you go, you have the camera, and for my case I'll choose to use the front screen because I want to take a picture of myself. I'll say cheese. Yes, this is the picture. Quite an interesting, and remember it's an 8 megapixel plus a 1.3 megapixel camera, front-facing camera. This is awesome. And it also has an FM radio. It's Java enabled and comes in 2 colors, that is black and white. So you can choose whichever that suits your fantasy and your personality and go for it. It also has GPS, fastest internet, and can open more than 1 page among many amazing features that we cannot even finish reviewing. But to feel it more, get one now, and to get the real feeling of what I'm talking about, get these trendy amazing phones, that is the LG C33 III and the Optimus L9 VU at the most affordable rates in town. And by the way, if you buy this LG L9 VU, you will get a free case. And then you're getting a stylus pen right over here. And then another amazing thing is that you're getting a pen. And this is not just an ordinary pen, but it's a USB with 8 GB memory. So all this is what you're getting. And we hold a stock of many items displayed on our e-shop at www.gbstvhomeshopping.com, or simply call in to place your order, then make your payments via M-Pesa or cash on delivery. Drop by our office on the 2nd floor of Yellow Towers to pick and shop for your product. Now, thank you so much for your time. That's all for now. See you next time as you shop with us. Goodbye.